Before you pack your bags, here are 9 useful things to know that will make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. Number 1. Don't assume Turkish culture is the same as Arab culture. Turkey has its own deep history and traditions, with roots in Central Asia and influences from both Europe and the Middle East. Locals really appreciate it when visitors recognize and respect these differences. Number 2. Don't move around without an Istanbul card. Paying separately for every bus, tram, or ferry will slow you down and end up costing more. Instead, grab an Istanbul card and use it for public transport, ferries, cable cars, and even public toilets. You can easily get one at the airport or any metro station and top it up at the yellow machines. Number 3. Don't rely on tap water for drinking. While tap water is fine for washing and brushing your teeth, most locals avoid drinking it. Bottled drinking water is cheap, everywhere, and honestly the safer choice while you're exploring the city. Number 4. Don't blow your nose loudly in public. Things like loudly blowing your nose around others can be seen as impolite. If you need to, step aside or be discreet. Number 5. Don't expect small change when paying cash. The smallest coins, called kurush, are barely used anymore. Don't be surprised if you don't get exact change. If you want things simple, just use your debit or credit card. Cards are accepted almost everywhere. Number 6. Don't underestimate how much you'll walk. Istanbul is full of hills, stairs, and long streets. Wearing uncomfortable shoes will ruin your day fast. Good walking shoes will make a huge difference. Number 7. Don't stay only on one side of the city. The European side is busy, historic, and energetic. The Asian side is calmer, more local, and equally beautiful. If you skip one side, you're missing half of Istanbul. Number 8. Don't block the escalator. In Istanbul, stand on the right if you're not walking. The left side is for people in a hurry. Ignoring this rule will definitely get you some looks. Number 9. Don't rush your meals. Food in Turkey isn't just about eating, it's about conversation, connection, and time. Slow down, enjoy the flavors, and take in the atmosphere.